So hello everyone, in this video we will walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to create an AWS free tier account and complete the MFA multi-factor authentication setup. So in the part 1 we will show you the account creation. So open your browser and go to aws.amazon.com. Then enter your root user email address. Enter the account name. Click on verify email address. Complete the captcha. Now enter the verification code sent to your email. Set your root user password. Click on continue. Now here select account type, business or personal, and enter the full name. Enter the organization name. Enter your phone number. Enter the address. Click on agree and continue. Now enter your credit card details. Enter cardholder's name. Select use my contact address as a billing address. Select on PAN card. Enter your PAN card number. Verify and continue to the next. So Amazon Pay will debit around 2 rupees. That is the refundable amount, but that is being used to verify your credit card. To complete the payment, after that, confirm your identity. Select for personal use or academic. I had selected as academic. Select the ownership type, business owner or individual. You can select individual. Enter key managerial person name. To verify the identity, select the document. I have selected the PAN card. Enter the date of birth mentioned on PAN card. Enter your PAN card number. Choose the name you want to use for identity verification. Then upload the PAN card. After uploading, click on continue. Then confirm your identity. Select text message. Select your country code. Then enter your mobile number. Click on continue. Now complete the captcha. Submit. After that, enter the verification code sent to your mobile. Click on continue. Select basic support plan. After that, complete sign up. So here you will see that your AWS account is ready to use. Okay, in the second step, we will show you how to set up the two-factor authentication. Go to accounts, click on security settings. You don't have any MFA assigned. Click on assign MFA device. Select the second option, Authenticator app. Enter the device name. Click on Show QR code. Scan this QR code with your Authenticator app. I had used Microsoft Authenticator. You can use anyone like Duo or Authy. Once that is done, enter the MFA code, then wait for 30 seconds. So another code will be displayed on your app. Enter that. After that, click on Add MFA. So now your MFA device is assigned. That's it. Your AWS account is fully set up and secured, ready to start building. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials from Vihan IoT Gateway. Thank you.